Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dash cam 2020 to buy for your car. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with Number 5. Deelife Car Dash Cam. Brand name, Deelife. 2304 by 1296p Full HD resolution, clearly recording. 170-degree wide-angle lens, can cover over 4 lanes in front of the car. WDR technology and f2.0 aperture, enhanced night vision video recording performance. 3-axis G sensor, automatically locks the current video when a collision is detected. Seamless loop recording, automatically overwrites the earliest unlocked video. Parking monitor, provide 24 hours monitoring under parking mode. Advanced H.264 photography compression technology keeps high-quality videos. Support up to 64 GB TF card memory storage. Number 4. Original 70mm Dash Cam. Brand name, 70mm. Super high resolution of 1944p, 2.5 times of 1080p. Equipped with f1.8 aperture and 6 glass lens, it can greatly enhances night vision and obtain sharp, color-accurate images. 5-megapixel Sony sensor dual-core high silicon processor. Advanced driver assistance system boost your driving safety. 24-hour parking surveillance. Emergency recording when you are away with high sensitivity sensor. Your 70mm dash cam will be available for auto record at park mode. Always keep an eye on your lovely vehicle. 70mm app supports both iOS and Android systems. Hidden design to fit all car interior and perfectly concealed behind rear view mirror. Number 3. Yi Smart Dash Camera. Brand name, Yi. Emergency recording feature enabled by G sensor technology. The camera automatically saves footage in the events leading up to a collision and immediately after. Features 165-degree ultra-wide angle to reduce blind spots and obtain full 3-lane coverage. 1296p super high definition with a pixel density 44% greater than 1080p. The Yi Smart Dash Camera produces images clearer than you can imagine. 2.7-inch 16:9 screen, user-friendly interface. Built-in Wi-Fi, single touch sharing. Number 2. Azdome Night Vision Dash Cam. Brand name, Azdome. The Azdome G63H dash camera can record videos up to a resolution of 2160p, Ultra HD. 170 degrees ultra-wide A+ lens viewing angle allows a wider viewing angle to capture those important detail side. The WDR function optimizes video quality with wider light range and image details. So you will find our camera captures clear and vivid license plates and road signs during the day as well as at night. 4K UHD 28802160p is 3 times as many pixels as Full HD. This is a huge difference, and it shows. License plates can be made out more clearly and from further away. Built-in Wi-Fi. Number 1. EACE 12-inch Dash Cam. Brand name, EACE. 2K higher quality images, Real HD 1440p help to identify vital details such as license plates, driver actions and road features which may prove your innocence. Streaming media DVR mirror. This is all new technology for rear view mirror DVR. A38 is equipped with this advanced streaming media technology, makes the driving rear view angle more widely. It is triple wide view angle than the traditional mirror. It is not affected by obstacles or natural weather. DVR use HD to provide you with flawless images in rain, fog, snow, or even at low light level. You will be able to observe all the details with ease for outside or inside. Huawei has silicon chipset. 1.1 split screen designed to switch front and rear view recording, big screen and clearly and easily to check rear view. You can switch views by swiping your finger left or right. It contains 3 views, front view, rear view, front and rear view. 12-inch touch super screen display. 2.5D curved surface screen. 6 glass HD lens. Front HD 2560144p plus rear 19201080p. Dual camera simultaneously recording 170-degree angle front camera with 140-degree angle night vision rear view camera, optional, that allows for simultaneously recording videos from 2 different angles. 2 split view make you a clear view from front and backup camera.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.